Hi friends, my name is Hasibjan. Today I will be showing you the project that I have been working on in the Adnoc stem. So this is my oil refinery. So the first building is this one. Now this is a security room. This room has some TVs and some computers which to operate the security. Now this is a washroom. This is a power generator. There is 4 power generators in here. This power generator is producing the power for all the stuff. Next is storage, and this is also a furnace. This is a really big furnace which is heating the oil. As you can see, there is some smoke coming out, which means that the oil is being heated. So that is all in this building. Now let us go over here. And there are 6 tanks which is pumping the oil to the furnace. These pipes are at the bottom and they plumb the oil to the tanks, and these tanks give or push the oil to the furnace. And these are solar panels. This is the control room. The control room, there are some computers, and there is a smart TV. This is the smart TV. This is the restroom. There are some bunk beds for the workers, and there is this really cool vending machine, bread vending machine. This is a helicopter, and there is some a helipad in there. These are some containers which is being loaded to the truck by a crane. This container is filled with barrels of oil. Now this is a train. This is a train which is transporting the oil to another oil fields. This train have 2 main control rooms, one at the back and one at the front. And there are these crane types which is plumbing the oil into the crane. Now this is the main building. This is an observer area. The main building. This elevator leads to the observer area. And in the first room, it is the office. This office have a laptop, a chair for a man, and then a couch, a small library, and then there is a toilet over here, a sink and a toilet. And this is a small waiting area. This is the train control room. This is the crane which loads the containers into the ship. This is the ship. This ship also has a small control room. This is a small room this is a small control room for the crane. And then there is also a small washroom over here. This is an elevator which leads to the top. This elevator leads to the top. So that's all in my old refinery. Thanks for watching.